There are several videos in the social media where the phone has transparent display and you could see the background behind the mobile device as a wallpaper. I show you, how could you do this? Let's get starting. Download a solid green image and set as wallpaper on your mobile device. Find a perfect place where the background is well seen. You have to use a camera stand to ensure the footage will be stable. Take a record for a few seconds about the background. After it, do not stop the record and put your mobile device into the scene. Important, do not move the camera stand. Swipe left and right between the pages, open and close applications, and finally remove your mobile device from the scene and stop recording. Next step, importing your footages into a video editor where the magic happens. In this case, into Final Cut Pro. Select the part where you record the background without mobile device and pull it down to your timeline. A suggest to add freeze frame. Select the part of your record where you swipe between the pages on your mobile device and pull it down to your timeline above the background clip. Now add keyer from the effects library to this clip. Select to color what must be subtract. And voila! Your phone background is transparent now. Adjust the length of the clips, cut if necessary. Add an additional effect to the footage seen more realistic, merge them into a new compound clip, and add handheld effect from the effects library. It is done. For more tutorials, subscribe to our channel and click the bell button to receive notification when new video has uploaded. If you would like to see other tutorials, write it in the comments section. Thanks for watching.